In this video, we will be starting with the multi-vendor website installation. So let's go to the appearances and click on the themes. Now we have to choose the theme that we want to add. So let's click on add new. Now you will be able to add the theme that you have. For example, if you have martfury or the other theme like Marketo, you can click on choose file and select the theme file that you have. So let me find the theme that I already have, that I've kept with me. So I have the martfury theme and this is the file, which is 17 MB of martfury theme. Let me open it and let's install it now. Once the uploading will be started, you will be able to see a small progress of uploading on the bottom left side. You can see uploading and the percentage on the right side. So we will need to wait for the 100% to complete the installation. Okay, the theme has been installed. Now it's unpacking the package so that the theme is completely installed in the WordPress. So it will take some time, so we can wait for it. Okay, it has been installed now. Let's activate the theme. Just click on activate button. Now you will be able to activate the theme. Now the theme has been activated and you can see it's now active. Now let's install all the plugins that we have with the theme. Just click on begin, select all and click on install and just apply. And now we will need to wait some time so that the plugins are activated and installed. It might take some time depending on the hosting that you are having. Awesome. So our 9 plugins that we have, that we needed to install, that have been installed. Now let's go back and activate them. Select all and click on activate. Now all the plugins that we need to activate will be activated one by one. Awesome, everything has been activated. Let's see how the website looks. So we have not imported the demo data yet, but still let's see how it works. So this is our website, a martfury website which have been installed and all the plugins have been activated without the demo data importing. So this is the wish list, this is the cart, this is the profile, this is the head icon, this is the search bar, and these are the latest posts. Now we have to change the theme. Okay, so let's work on importing the demo data now. Let's refresh it once. Now we can see new changes in the left sidebar. For example, you can see WooCommerce and products have been added. Also you can see Yith and WP Bakery page builder have been added with MailChimp and Slide Revolution. So as per the theme, we will need to install one plugin for the demo data. Before installing the plugin for the demo data, we will run the setup wizard. Let's click on the button. And now let's install. Let's go. We can add payment gateways that we want, but for now it will show only Stripe and PayPal. Let's enable this and disable it. Let's continue. It will ask for the shipping that we need to add the cost of shipping in the UK or other locations. So let's skip it for now. It will ask for the extras that we want to add and that we can skip. It will ask us for activating the jetpack, but if you don't want it, we can skip it. And now it's done. Let's go to the dashboard again. So yeah, the WooCommerce have been set up and ready. So now let's go and import the demo data. To importing the demo data, let me show you what we have to do. So let's open the documentation of the theme. So let's go to the work, themes, and martfury. We'll be able to see a documentation button. Now let's open the documentation. In the documentation, you will be able to see a plugin that we need to install before installing the demo data. So our main work has been completed. Now let's go and import the demo data. So let's go and import this plugin. This is the plugin that we have downloaded now. Let's close this and install in the plugins. So we can go to this and add new. Now let's upload it. Choose the file and let's find where it is. So the name of the plugin is Soo Demo Importer, SOO. So I can see I don't have here. Maybe it is in the compressed. Yeah, this is the Soo Demo Importer. Let's open it and install it. Awesome, this have been installed. Let's activate it. Now you can see in the appearance you will be able to see a import demo data button. Let's click on the link. Now you can see all the demo data that we can import for this theme. So let's try to import and theme for marketplace version 1. Let's import it. So it will take some time, so we will need to wait for it. Okay, once everything is completed, we can see it's completed. Let's go to the dashboard again, and now our website is completely imported with the demo data. Let's show you how you can view the website. Okay, just click on here and you can see a visit site link. Just click on this button. Now you will be able to see your new website which has been imported. So this is the imported website and which is completed. You can see the pop-up and this is the slider revolution. which have been imported, and the products which will be coming here. The footer have been imported. Everything is done well. Now we can see the products that have been imported. Just click on the products. Now you will be able to see all the products that have been imported by the demo data. So this is the list of products that have been imported. You can see new pages have been added in the pages, and all the pages that have been added you will be able to see here. Just like pages, some of the posts have been also added, some media files have been added like photos and audio. Yep. So everything is added up. So now let's work on the website.